If you've got lymphedema in your feet or legs, there are some really helpful exercises designed for the lower body. Whether you can walk easily or spend a lot of time sitting down, doing these exercises every day will really get that lymph moving. So here's Andy. He's a lot less fierce than he sounds.
Just start marching on the spot, please.
He'll start you off with a warm-up, which you can do standing up.
Okay.
Or in a chair.
On the chair, it is the case of lifting the knees, lying forward. And you got arms as well. Make sure that you involve them as well. Okay. Point. Dig in, if you can. Repeat 10 times, if you can. And sideways, not too wide. Excellent. Again, about 10 times. Carry on marching. You start feeling your heart rate going up a bit. Excellent. Okay. Keep marching, and we do it again 10 times. Carry on. 9 and 10. And sideways again. 10. Again. But we got arms. Make sure that you use your arms. Just start. And if you can, try to concentrate and keep marching. Coordination. Okay? Excellent. And breathe out. Okay, make sure that you sit nice and straight. Okay, we're going to concentrate on the ankle. Straighten your leg. Point towards me. And roll a nice circle. Okay, repeat 5 times one way. And 5 times the other way. So just nice and straight, just the ankle. Nice and relaxed. And relax. Okay, repeat with the other leg. Straighten, point at me, and big circle. Make sure that you get some circulation going down all the way to your legs. Next exercise, again carrying on with the ankle, is heel raises. Okay, one at a time. Okay, start with your right, because Barbara lifted the right. Okay, so lift and release. Okay, you should feel stretching and tension in your calf muscles. As far as you can come up. Okay, do 5, and then we go to the other one. Feeling all right? Okay, excellent. Now we're going to concentrate on your leg muscles. Okay, so to do that, we're going to straighten our legs and bend it. Just straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. If you're not able to straighten it all the way, make sure that you do as much as you can and bring it back in. And bend it as much as you can. How many? My magic number.
5.
Okay, let's do the other one. Okay. Bring it in as much as you can. Okay. This is 3. We're going to do another 2, and then we're going to go back and we're going to hold it there. Okay. With the other leg. 1, 2, release, and repeat again. 1, 2, release. 1, 2, bring it back. Same leg, please. Hold, and back, and again. And hold. 1.5, quarter, and 2. Last one. Okay, 1, 2, and then, okay, the other one. Okay. Nice and straight, and down. You okay? Hold it there for 2 seconds, please. Keep breathing through it, keep breathing through it. Excellent. You feel a nice, hard muscle on the top of your leg. The last one. Okay. Excellent. Brilliant. Next exercise is raising your knee as high as you can and putting back in the same place. Hold on to something firm. It could be a kitchen worktop, could be a chair. Engage the core. Breathe in. If it drops, breathe back in again. So it goes like this. Okay? Breathe in, engage the core. and lift. You might not be able to lift too high, but make sure that you go as far as you can and release. Okay, repeat 10 times. Okay, other leg. And lift. If you can't lift it too high, make sure that you come up as high as you can, please. Okay? Who's counting?
6.
Hang on, I like the 6 better. Okay, excellent. Next exercise is a squat exercise. Stand nice and shoulder width apart, okay, engage the core, hold onto something firm, could be a chair, could be your kitchen worktop, okay? Make sure that the bottom goes backwards and your knee stays further than your toe line, okay? It goes like that, and up. Bend your knees, and come up. Repeat about 10 times, and up, okay? Come up again. Excellent. Okay. Right. Rosemary. That goes backwards. Nice and easy. Okay. Have you done the 10?
Yes.
Excellent. The next exercise, carrying on with the legs, we're going to raise our heel towards your bum and release. Okay, engage the core, hold on to something firm again, make sure that you're safe, lift your heel and release, lift and release, repeat 10 times, bring it up and down, bring it up, you should feel your hamstring, back of your leg tightening up a little bit, okay, because that's what we're using, okay? Is that all right? Bring it up as much as you can. Excellent. And the other one, okay? Nice and easy. Okay. Keep going. How many have we done? 10. 10 it is. Thank you. Big drink of water. Excellent. Well done. Bicep curl. Squeeze that bicep. 2, 3. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there.
If you've enjoyed exercising along with Andy's class, you might want to think about joining a class yourself. And not just for the exercise, you'll have a lot of fun and a lot in common. Your Lymffoedema clinic will be delighted to tell you about classes in your area. And don't forget your deep breathing exercises, as they're very important. Whatever you do and wherever you do it, remember to keep moving.
Good workout, excellent. Well done.
Thanks, Andy.